To fix a heat pump's emergency heat function that is not working, several potential issues should be considered. The first possible cause is a problem with the thermostat, which may need to be checked to ensure it is set to heat mode and properly calibrated to display the correct temperature. If the thermostat appears damaged or is not functioning correctly, it may need to be replaced. Another potential issue is an electrical problem, which can be investigated by checking the home's electrical panel for tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. If a circuit breaker has been tripped, it can be reset, and if a fuse has blown, it will need to be replaced. A faulty reverse valve is also a possible cause, as this component is responsible for switching the heat pump between heating and cooling modes. If the reverse valve is stuck, it may be possible to fix it by tapping it gently, but if it is damaged, replacement will be necessary. By following these steps, it should be possible to identify and fix the issue preventing the heat pump's emergency heat function from working.